do a quick tutorial on how I install my wig. And I hope you guys like it. First of all, let's just talk about my lashes. I can't find my tweezers, so I can't put the rest of my lashes on. So I'm upset because I'm going out tonight. So I'm very upset, but I just gotta get over it and keep it moving. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do. Okay? Stay tuned. Okay guys, as you can see I have a stocking cap on my head. The stocking cap is for me to keep my hair down because I'm going to be putting my wig on. So I just sprayed got to be glue free spray on my head, so I'm brushing all the loose ends to the back so it won't be sticking out of my stocking cap. So yeah, I'm preparing to pull the stocking cap down on my forehead over my ears. I already have some makeup on it because I used the stocking cap before, so that's why you can see the brown on there. That's makeup. I'm spraying got to be glued freeze spray on my head. I'm going to cut the stocking cap, so I wanted to make it look like my scalp, so when I put my wig on it'll look a little natural. So right here I got the blow dryer. I'm drying it so it can stick. So I'm filling it, making sure it's getting like kind of sticky, and you can tell when it's like getting like stuck in your hair because you can feel it. So yeah, the blow dryer is hot, but I have it on low, but it's still hot. So I'm doing another layer of spray because I want to make sure it don't come up. So I'm gonna spray, 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 and then I'm gonna blow dry it again. I don't know what I was about to do with my hand, but yeah, I'm blow drying it again. And as you can see, it's ready to go. It's ready to go. Now I'm gonna take the scissors and I'm just gonna slice it in the middle a little bit. And then I'm going to put a little hole in the ear so I can open that up so I can, you know, put my ear through the hole. And just be careful you don't cut your ear off. or slice it or anything. You gotta really, really be careful with these scissors. So yeah, just bring the ear out. You know, there you go. Get the ear out. Everybody do theirs different. That's how I do mine. And I'm going to do the same with the other side. Okay, that's good. So now I'm going to, then I'm making sure it's around my ear. Cut it up a little more because it's too far on my forehead. And I'm just going to cut some stocking cap off. I know y'all seen videos like this a few times. So everybody do it different. So I'm just going to cut it all the way around. All the way around. And this part, when you do this, make sure you don't cut your ear. Because I look like I almost cut my ear off. And then just cut it in the back. And I'm going to do the same with the other side. I'm pulling it up because it's like too far down. Definitely got to be careful with these scissors. I'm doing the same thing with the other side. I'm going to cut the stocking cap from around my ear, and then I'm going to cut the back of the stocking cap off. The part that's hanging, I'm going to cut that off. I'm so silly. Oh my goodness, what was that? Oh Lord, I don't know what that was. So yeah, as you guys know, I have a mirror in front of me, so I keep looking in the mirror. So I cut off everything. And I'm just the little straggly parts. I'm just trying to cut that little area off. Trying to make it really look like it's like growing out my head, if you understand. So I'm spraying more spray because I gotta lay it down some more. As you can see on the side, it's sticking up. My hair is sticking out on the side. But I'm gonna cut some more of the cap off because it's just too much over there. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm just gonna have you guys watch me get this stocking cap together because it was a little struggle for me. But yeah, stay tuned. I had to speed this part up, you guys, because my video was pretty long, so I wanted to get this part out the way. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. wig on. This is my wig by Eva. So, from AliExpress or whatever. So, I'm going to take it and slide it up. Slide this down. And when I cut my wig, I cut it so short on the sides, on this side, that it won't, like, I was just so mad. So, it don't go all the way down as it should, but we're gonna work something out because, So, do that look like scalp or what, guys? Can y'all see that? Do that look like scalp? Let me see. Let me see. Look like scalp to me. Look like scalp to me. Okay. So, I'm gonna use some Got to Be Glued. I don't know why they put that big sticker right there. Like, that's so annoying. So, I'm gonna use some Got to Be Glued. Sorry, y'all. That was a text message. And I'm just gonna take it. Oh my God. Come on, hair. And put it on the cap. Oh my God, come on. Put it on the cap. And pull it back some more. I don't want to get it on the hair. And when I put on the cap, you have to wait until it dry, so you can put your wig on. So that's my first layer. I don't really worry about the edges, the sides too much. I don't really keep it on that long to be laying my sides down. So we're gonna worry about the top. All right. So we're gonna let that dry, and I shall return. All right. So my first layer dried. I'm gonna put the second layer of Got to Be Glued. We apply the second layer so it can really stay on. Especially if you're about to have a wild night. Child, you better make sure this wig stay on. Because if it fall off and if this wig fall off and you look like this under the wig, that's it. Don't go out no more. It's a wrap. Like, don't go out no more. It's a done deal. Stay in the house, okay? From then on, stay in the house because you done played yourself. You done played yourself. Stay right in the house. Because first of all, everybody gonna take your picture. Everybody gonna be laughing. You're gonna be embarrassed. So yeah, stay in the house. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna dry the second layer and I shall return. Boop, boop, boop. All right, hopefully it's dry, y'all, because I gotta go. I ain't got time to play around. I'm trying to go out. All right. I don't have a red tail comb. If you have a red tail comb, definitely use it because it will lay it down better. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. I'm gonna pull this up front. Hold up, I gotta look in the mirror. See, when you go like this, you need a red tail comb because I got scissors. Don't use scissors, y'all. I ain't got time for nobody cutting that stuff. Don't use scissors. Please don't use scissors. I'm using scissors because I ain't got nothing else. And like I said, I ain't worrying about really laying these edges, child, on the side. Because first of all, they be hard anyway. So I'm just going to, when I do it, I'm just going to put some Got to Be Glued down there. Lay it down, baby. Lay it down. Lay it down. Lay it down. Lay it down. Okay. Don't ask me why I was singing, because I didn't know. Oh, it laid though. It laid a little bit, y'all. Okay. I know that's right. Got to be glued. I know that's right. I know that's right. Let me see. Wow. All right. That look like my scalp? Yes. I shall return. I'll be back. All right, y'all. Like this, y'all already know this. Not. I don't care about the size laying, but let me say how. Let me just say how I'm gonna be up in there dropping it like it's hot. Like what? Got to be glued. Now I know it was a good. I know it was good, but this is my first time really getting it like tight. So like, oh shit. Let me stop pulling it. Real. It's coming up. Shit. But got to be glued. All right. Okay. All right. Now. All right. Now. This is my eyebrow brush. So I'm just gonna take it and brush down my little baby hairs. My little baby hairs. Wait a minute. All right. I think I'm gonna use the I hate using the got to be glued to lay my baby hairs. I'll be right back, y'all.
I'm gonna use some mousse. And my mousse is broke, so hopefully it comes out right. Look at y'all. Like what? Alright. Got the mousse. I'm gonna take it and first of all I'm gonna put some on me like this. Cause I gotta bring this back so I can lay it down. I got a little bit of my hand. Let's take it and lay it down. Let's lay it down, y'all. It's hair everywhere. Alright. Lay it down. That over. Let me see. I don't want a whole lot of baby hairs. Like, I don't. I don't want to walk outside looking like a newborn baby. Like, you know how you have like baby hair when you first born? I don't want all that. Like, just give me a little bit. That's all I want. Just give me a little bit. That's it. Like, I don't think that's too much. I don't know how it looks on camera, but I'll see. It's not a lot. Alright, I'm gonna take this part out. See how I pulled that out right there? Alright, y'all. I'm laying my edges. Y'all already know what I'm doing. I'll be right back to show y'all how it turned out. Okay? Okay.
All right, y'all, I'm back. I wet my hair. I'm just confess and say that I did go crazy on my baby hairs. I mean, I'm definitely a newborn baby because when I was on it, I was like, oh, that is cute. So I just kept on going. I gotta wet it somewhere, y'all. Like when I say this hair is gonna be around forever, forever, ever, it's gonna be around forever. All right. So after I spray it, I use the Curly Curl Cream. Curly Curl? Wait a minute. Oh shoot. Okay. Curly Curl Cream. Shoot. Talia Wajid or whatever that is. If y'all can see that, this is what I use. It's $7.49 at your local hair store. Okay. All right. Now. It comes like this, like a creamy cream. So, I'm gonna put it in. This so my curl skin like stay popping. It's like I said, when I start dancing and stuff, I want my curls to stay in. And sometimes you probably gotta wet it again, all that good stuff. But you don't want your hair to be dripping when you go outside. So my hair's not like dripping wet. But y'all gotta comment and tell me that y'all like my wig though. Like, y'all gotta say something to a sister. Make sure if you're new to this channel, like and subscribe. Share. So you can always see me pop up all the time. Ooh. All right, y'all. Let me take this off. This is the big reveal. Let me see.
Let me see my baby hairs. Oh, what? 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 Like what? Like what? Oh my God, this is cute. So yeah, y'all, this is the end result. Can you see it? Because it's light. Y'all see that? This is the end result. And you ain't going to tell me nothing tonight when I go out. Like you see that? That's the newborn baby hair. Like, I'm hyped. Y'all see the back? I'll be like, what you say, girl? Oh. You call me? Oh. So yeah, guys, this is the end result. Thanks for tuning in. Please, like I said before, please like, subscribe. I want this video to at least get at least give me 600. Give me 1,000 views. Give me something. I need something. But I love you guys. I love you guys for tuning in. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for being there, for subscribing to my channel. All of y'all, thank you so much. To my new ones, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching me. And I shall return. Okay? Mwah. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.